Okay, so nutrients by Alejandro Aron.
I'm Pablo Orozco.
What is a nutrient? Nutrients are molecules in food that all organisms need to make energy, grow, develop, and reproduce. Nutrients are digested and then broken down into basic parts to be used by the organism. There are two main types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. The three main categories of macronutrients include carbohydrate, protein, and fat. The two types of micronutrients are vitamins and minerals, and these are extra molecules that cells need to make energy. In other words, nutrients are some substance that provides nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth.
Where do nutrients come from? It exists many types of nutrients. The most important ones are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, water, and minerals. For example, minerals they come from the earth and the environment. Taking in account vitamins, it exists many types of it, and the environmental provides us the different types of it. These both are micronutrients. Therefore, humans need them to be alive. Uh, but it's not good to have them or consume them in excess. It's better in small quantities. These micronutrients mostly come from biotic things from the environment. So this means the majority of the minerals and vitamins can come from these type of things. Some of these also come from biotic things. Going to the other side, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, these are macronutrients and mostly almost all from come from biotic things of the environment. Water comes from natural resource of the planet as well. To conclude, where do nutrients come from? We can say they come from earth, from biotic and abiotic things.
Okay, so what do nutrients do? Nutrients are the chemicals found in food that are vital for the growth and maintenance of the body. These substances have different functions. For example, carbohydrates provide acting energy to our body. The fats guarantee us the energy reserve. Proteins have a structural function forming part of our cells, tissues, and organs. Finally, vitamins, minerals, or antioxidants will be the other nutrients necessary for the proper function of the body.
What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is based in consuming the most of the calories you are going to consume in fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, nuts, legumes, and lean proteins. Basically, in a diet that gives you all of the nutrients you need to have a good and healthy life. In a balanced diet, it's very important to doing exercise for it to be more balanced. According to some study, um, the calories you should get in average for a day also depends on the on your age and the sex that you possess. For example, children from 2 or 8 years should consume 1,000 to 1,400 calories, and a boy from the age of 9 to 13 years old must consume 1,600 to 2,000 calories. An active man from over the 30 years should consume 2,000 to 3,000 calories. Having a balanced diet is important for avoiding different diseases as heart disease, cancer, stroke, diabetes. Also, they might have many problems in their life if they do not have a balanced diet.
Okay, so one nutritional disorder is hemorrhoids. So hemorrhoids are swollen veins in the lowest part of your rectum and anus. Sometimes the walls of these blood vessels stretch so tight that the veins bulge and get irritated, especially when you poo-poo. Swollen hemorrhoids are also called piles. What causes them? Some people may be more likely to get hemorrhoids if other family members, like their parents, had them. A buildup of pressure in our lower rectum can affect blood flow and make the veins there swollen. That may happen from extra weight, when you are obese or pregnant, or it could come from pushing during bowel movements, uh, straining when you do something that physically is physically hard, like lifting something very heavily. Okay, so people who stand or sit for long stretches of time are at great risk. To you may get them when you have constipation or diarrhea that doesn't clear up, causing sinuses, and vomiting could make them worse. Symptoms. Symptoms of hemorrhoids may include painless bleeding during bowel movements. You might notice a small amount of bright red blood on your toilet tissue or in the toilet. Pain or discomfort. Swelling around your anus. A lump near your anus, which may be sensitive or painful, may be a thrombosed hemorrhoid. Some facts of the hemorrhoids is that it's more likely to get this disease for women who are pregnant.
How has science affect the issue? Science doesn't have a sure cure for the hemorrhoids, but it has some recommendations for it to stop or decrease. The vitamin C is the one that helps it to happen. These type of vitamins have different helps to improve the vein health and other benefits that can stop hemorrhoids or heal it faster. If you receive vitamin C every day, you can be almost sure that you will have healthy veins. It's also an antioxidant and it's necessary in the enzymatic reactions. You can receive the vitamin in things as orange juice, grape juice, broccoli, between others. These are also medicines for it to stop or prevent it, but it's not 100% sure that you're going to avoid it. Thank you.